quick update for the London outlook. There's something I forgot to mention in the initial outlook, and that is because we're reacting to a proton unconfirmed OB on the 4 hour, we can validate new primary leg OBs simply by the reset of the chalk level. So if we look at this leg, the last valid OB to then validate the 4H primary leg would be this chalk level right here. And since yesterday we actually wicked it, we can conclude that this was actually a break because of the reaction to this pro-trend OB. As a result of this means that primary pro-trend unconfirmed OBs are valid to trade from, and since we had the pullback, this substructure, although unconfirmed at this point, is a valid level because reactions to pro-trend unconfirmed OBs do indeed reset the substructure. So having said all of that, what this essentially means is that my initial bias to only long is invalid for the time being, and there's reasons again to both long and short, with the long objective being this substructure and the short objective being this substructure right here. If we move on to the 15-minute, what we can see is that because this is a primary leg, we created the secondary leg. However, at the same time, we're reacting to this 4H primary proton unconfirmed OB that was validated by this wick, and thus there's only reason to short, at least until we either extend this leg by body breaking this area right here or resetting it down here. So when we validated the secondary leg, it invalidated this, which means for this morning there is only scope for shorting. And if we take a look at how we are reacting to this, we reacted to the window of imbalance that you can see right here, and then we've got this pre-Asia high of the day situated right here, and then the Frankfurt open wicked the Asia low at 9 a.m. So this Asia high of the day is validated as a likely high of the day to hold, which is why I have this order set and I've cancelled that order. I just thought it's important to highlight in case someone makes a trading decision based on my bias to only long. There was one factor I did forget to take into consideration, and that was the fact that this wick of the 4H OB doesn't need a body break simply because we are reacting to a pro-trend unconfirmed OB. Similarly, if this level right here was reacting to a pro-trend previously confirmed OB or range, then a wick of this level would have been sufficient and we didn't really need a body break. So there's just something to keep in mind. But yeah, I thought I'd update you guys.